And so now I'm sure a lot of you are probably worried that, oh, this sounds great and everything, but I don't want this to interfere with what I'm doing with my current email strategy. And I'm here to tell you, push is not here to replace what you are doing with email. Push is here to instead support and complement these efforts. It's not meant to be an and or kind of thing. This is an and kind of solution for your marketing strategy. So one major benefit of push is that they live in the here and now, right? So push notifications just appear on your desktop, whatever website you're on. You could even be on a competitor's website. And if you're opted into your push notification strategy, you will still receive your browser-based push notification at the time of your choosing. So some more benefits here. The average email opt-in rate globally is about 1.95%. For our customers in e-commerce, we see the average web push opt-in rate closer to about 9%. So you're capturing more of that audience from your site traffic. Retargeting focused pushes have about a 50% higher open rate than retargeting focused emails. Again, it's just a more engaged marketing channel. Ultimately, pushes have a higher click-through rate as well. We average about 40%, while emails hover around 23%. So it's anytime you send an email, though, again, these are here to work in tandem, right? So anytime you send a promotional email, why not send a push notification as well, right? You're able to hit them right then and there. It encourages a great response rate as well. So those are some of the major benefits. I just wanted to make this point clear that, we're not here to replace with what you're doing on your email strategy. This is here to help support it.